Today we're going to be taking a look at a flashlight made by ThruNite. This is the ThruNite Defender. They did send this flashlight to me so that I can share it with you, and that's what we're going to do right now. Inside the box, you're going to find a manual, the flashlight itself, and a USB-C charging cable. The flashlight itself is very sleek. It does have an aluminum alloy body. The clip is a two-way clip. It will work in both directions. There's a charging port under the flapper door. It is a USB-C. The bottom of the flashlight does have a magnet, so if you want to stick it to a metal object to maybe hold it in place, you could certainly do that. The flashlight operates with a 4-position switch that is in a dial format, as you can see here, and a center button that works as a power button and or a mode button. Located above the dial are 4 LEDs that act as the battery indicator. It tells you how charged your batteries are. You'll see this when you're charging or when you first turn the flashlight on. Operating the flashlight is really simple. You just use the dial to select whatever feature you would like to turn on. We have selected the flashlight feature. Pressing the center button one time will turn it on, and if you press and hold, it'll walk through the different light modes. That is the brightest setting. That is high. That is low. That is medium. Back to high, and if you do a double tap, it'll turn on turbo mode. Pressing it again will turn the flashlight off. There is also a laser mode. This is good for pointing or annoying the cat. One press turns it on, and one press turns it back off. And the very last position is UV mode. UV mode is great when you want to try to figure out where your socks are, or if you're trying to find a leak in maybe an air conditioner unit that you put the appropriate dye in. There is also a Firefly mode, and what that is a very dim light that is 1 lumen. To access that, you leave the dial on flashlight and hold that center button in until it turns on. Firefly mode is really dim, but it will last 17 days of continuous use. The flashlight on turbo mode, it will last 1 hour and 53 minutes and will produce up to 1600 lumens. On regular high mode, it should last 2 hours and 30 minutes and it's going to produce about 420 lumens. And on low mode, it only puts out about 20 lumens, which is a workable flashlight, but it'll last 59 hours of continuous use. So the battery life is pretty impressive for this little flashlight. Not the best throw in turbo mode, but remember it's a small light. That's UV mode. You would definitely be able to find some things that you don't want to find, or you might be able to find a leak on your air conditioner. And the laser pointer, as with all of these flashlights, is extremely bright. No problem at all. Try to point things out if you need to do that. Now we have the flashlight set to high again, and I'm just shining it on a tractor in the backyard, and you could definitely work on this tractor if you needed to, so it would make a good work light. So what are my final thoughts of the flashlight? Obviously, as a flashlight, it's great. Having a black light is really good if you're a mechanic because you can find those leaks and things like air conditioner cores. And having the green laser is kind of a nice option if you want to point something out from a distance. I will put a link down below in case you're interested in this flashlight. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.